Mass exodus after the excitement at Champs 2026. Stay for the fireworks at the end. Big bad and epic 4th of July style. The video, stick around and watch what go on. That me I tell you. Next one will come up now. Miss it, so make sure you subscribe to your channel. Pandemonium in the streets.
One calabar never.
Marching man and baiting out the yard. The people them are going bad like a carnival them there. You don't know. Make sure you subscribe and check out the next one. In the meantime, go and watch that one here. God, that one here mad something. Maybe in a day or two, but it will go right the wait. Alright, so just stick around for the marching band. Coming soon. In the meantime, a big congrats to the winners of Champs 2026, Edwin Allen and Jamaica College.
Yes, you want up on the video? Yeah, man, forward, come say something for the video, man. Go say something. No, say you want to say something for the video. Stop it! Nah, this one says watch him run, watch him run to the
100. Cut the candle, 100. Cut the candle, 100. Alright, cut the candle, 100. Alright, cut the candle, 100. Cut the candle, 100. He'll be at work a lot.
Okay.
Don't have your driver.
They roll this